Dabble, the ultimate cloud-based book writing platform. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the story notes, a powerful tool that will help you organize and keep track of pretty much everything in your story. Let's dive in. First and foremost, you'll need to be in a project in order to see this feature. We'll use our trusty Pride and Prejudice example for this tutorial. The first concept to understand is how Dabble organizes your notes. They're essentially like files and folders. Files have text or items inside. Each scene or note is a file. They exist nested inside of folders, the same way files and folders function on your computer. Check out this example. Your book is a folder, as well as the chapters within. This scene from Pride and Prejudice, Netherfield Park is let at last, is a file. Pro tip, you can also see your scene notes as well as the plotline interactions on the right side of the screen. Back to the story notes themselves. These are organized the same way, files inside of folders. Elizabeth Bennet's character note here is a file inside of the Bennett family folder, which is inside of the larger characters folder. You can visualize this here, like a Russian nesting doll. Story notes can be used for any details that are relevant to your story. Here's another example, world building. Place locations or world details from your story in this file, like the dusty saloon where your hero gets into a bar fight, or the alien species on a distant planet that doesn't understand sarcasm. Other great uses for story notes are brainstorming notes, or a place to put research you've done for your novel. Some writers keep a folder for those great quotes or scenes they've thought of, but haven't quite found the perfect place for in the story yet. Alright, enough context. Ready to jot some thoughts down? Click the three dots next to story notes to add either a new file or folder. Adding a new folder will allow you to name it here. Click the three dots next to a file or folder to see options like creating a new subfolder or file underneath. You can also send notes to the trash from this menu. Let's add a new file here. Look at that vast and blank potential. No pressure. Let's add a title and some text. I'm feeling literal today. And that'll do it. You're ready to take your ideas and brain dump them into Dabble using the Story Notes feature. If you'd like more information, check out Dabble's help page for written articles on this and many other features found in the Dabble tool. It can be found at help.dabblewriter.com.